discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Jeep Cherokee. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.